Welcome to class 7 computer lesson 1 hardware components part 2. External hardware devices. These are the physical devices of a computer system which are connected to computer externally. These devices are known as peripheral devices. These are categorized as input devices, output devices, and secondary storage devices. Types of input devices. Input devices are used to enter the data into a computer memory and then after it is to be processed. Always the input devices stores in the computer's primary memory or into the RAM. We are using different types of input devices like keyboard, trackball, mouse, scanners, microphones, joysticks, light pen, digital cameras, etc. Keyboard is most widely used primary input device. It has many number of keys to type letters, numbers and other symbols. In generally a keyboard contains 104 number of keys. The keys differs from keyboard to keyboard. It is used to type the data and commands. Mouse. It is a pointing device to point a position on a monitor. It controls movement of a pointer or the cursor on the screen. Different types of mouses are in use like mechanical mouse, trackball mouse, optical mouse and wireless mouse. Scanners. It is a device that scans images, documents, photographs, magazines, posters and convert them into digital form. It converts the hard copy to soft copy. Commonly used scanners are flatbed scanner and handheld scanners. The flatbed scanner looks like a Xerox machine. The handheld scanners are used in shopping malls to scan the barcodes. Microphone. It is used to give data and instructions through our voice. It receives sound waves and converts them into digital form so that computer can understand it. Light pen. This is an input device which looks like a real pen like structure. The pen is placed on the screen of the monitor that sends light signals. This enables us to draw a picture directly on the screen. Digital camera or webcams. This input device is used to take video or photographs and transfer to the computer through data cable. It generally includes a lens, an image sensor, and some electronic components through which images are captured in the system. Types of output devices. These are used to extract the information from system's memory and in soft copy or hard copy. Different types of output devices we are generally use are printers, speakers, LCD projectors and monitors. Printer It is a common output device used to get the result on paper. A printer prints in text, graphics, image form. There are mainly three types of printers in use: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printers. Besides that, plotters are also used to draw the maps. Speakers, it is used to hear the output generated by computers in sound form. Monitor, it is the screen that displays results in the form of text or images. It is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. It is an output device as well as input device also, because whatever we are typing or entering the information, it shows on the screen. Different types of monitors are in use, like CTR, cathode ray tubes, LCDs, and LEDs. LCD projectors, it is an output device used to magnify the presentations prepared on a computer. It projects an image on the surface by passing light over an LCD panel. It is used while giving presentations. Now the secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices are used to store data and instructions permanently for future use. It can store huge volume of data which cannot be stored in primary storage devices. In general, the secondary storage devices we use are hard disk, CD-ROM, DVDs, Blu-ray discs, flash drives, SD cards, etc. Hard disk, it is also called volume. It is the main secondary storage device fixed inside the CPU cabinet. It can store large amount of data up to 5 TB. Different ranges of hard disks are available, starting from 500 GB. It contains multiple disks made up of a rigid material called platters on which data is stored magnetically on both the sides. CD-ROM. It is one of the portable secondary storage device used to store the data permanently. It can store up to 800 MB or a recorded video of 40 minutes. It is coated with a thin layer of reflection material like aluminum. A high power laser beam is used to read and write data on it. In CPUs, there will be a special drive to insert the CD discs or DVD discs. A DVD also looks like CD, but it can store more data then a CD. Blu-ray discs. It is also a secondary storage. Optical disc looks like a CD DVD, but its storage capacity ranges from 25 GB to 50 GB. It uses a new technology in which blue violet laser light is used to store data on the disk. These are highly reliable disks which can store data safely for a long time compared to CDs and DVDs. Pen drive or flash drives. In 1998, IBM came out with the latest portable data storage device known as thumb drive or flash drive, which can store up to 256 GB. It fits into any USB port, very small size, faster data transfer rate from one device to another, very low price, and offers long term storage, so that it became very popular. And nowadays everyone uses pen drives or flash drives to store data which can be carried easily. I hope all of you understood the lesson and the different external hardware devices of a computer. Thank you for watching and listening the video. Thank you.